Hello! In this video I will show you how to wipe cache partition on OUKITEL G2. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time. And now you have to use volume buttons to navigate, and you have to go to wipe cache partition, then press power button to select, and then move to yes and press power button again. And now your cache partition has been wiped, and you can choose reboot system now to go back to your Android system. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.